Hi, I'm Sturdy Thoughts and I've been paid over £8,000 in brand deals for a single video. That's more than I made working 3 months full-time for my internship and placement year. Going back to my first year of university, I can remember my first ever brand deal. It was Deliveroo, £30, and I had to beg for it. Most creators think they need hundreds of thousands of followers or millions of views on a viral video before they can start getting discovered by brands. But the truth is, brands don't look for followers. They look for someone with trust and expertise. I know some creators with millions of followers who couldn't sell a single product. I know some creators with 5,000 followers who get 4-figure retainer brand deals every month because they followed a specific set of rules. In this video, I'm going to give you my own 7-step blueprint that moved me from getting £30 scraps to 5-figure contracts. Whether you're a student, you're working full-time, or you're an entrepreneur, this is how you move from a creator to a business asset. Tip number 1, start posting your face. You cannot build a 5-figure business behind a faceless account. In year 13, I was posting faceless skits. They were getting millions of views, but they were getting 0 brand deals. Why? Because your audience doesn't trust a logo, they trust a human face. And when I finally built the courage to show my face on camera, my trust factor skyrocketed. With a faceless account, you can get views, but you can't sell. This means you can get paid through platform ad revenue only, which is when the platform gives you a percentage of the advertiser's budget. But if you want to sell not just brand deals, but your own digital products, services, events, and affiliate links, you need to be seen. Every video, you need to be building your trust, your credibility, and authority with your face as the thumbnail. Tip number 2, take small brand deals early to establish credibility. When I took that £30 Deliveroo brand deal, it wasn't just for the cash, even though it was a lot of money to me at the time. It was for the credibility, the logo, and the experience. That way I could add it to my media kit, which is basically your CV or portfolio as a content creator. If any of you are unsure what a media kit is, I'll tag mine for free in the description below so you can quickly create your own. Then when I went to my next job or brand deal, I could charge more and other brands were keener to work with me because of my previous proof of experience. Think of it as free work experience before you get your first internship. Tip number 3, avoid being a generalist. Your content can have multiple pillars: career, lifestyle, health, music, but try and become the go-to expert for one specific area. For example, I became the go-to expert for computer science students, followed by university students. Brands like HP and Nintendo, they don't just look for anybody to target the student demographic. They look for the person who understands the student demographic better than anybody else. Pick an area where you have an unfair advantage and become the go-to expert, because brands will pay a premium for specialists who are the source of truth for that audience better than anybody else. Avoid swearing in your videos. I often get asked, is it okay for me to swear in my videos? Majority of brands have PG-13 values, and swearing in your videos could potentially make you unreliable and a liability. I've worked with some high-paying brands such as Microsoft and Google, and they're conservative with their money. They won't risk damaging their reputation with someone who could be controversial. You don't have to be a robot, but just stay professional. Tip number 5. Tag your dream brands in your videos for free. A year ago, I tagged Trainline in a video that got over 100,000 views. 3 months ago, I landed a brand deal with them, paid. If you want to work for your dream brand, you can't wait for them to discover you. Use them organically in your videos, tag them, and if the marketing team sees you got 10,000 views in a video of you using their brand, they're 10 times more likely to want to work with you in the future. Tip number 6, take a look at your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube bio. If there's no contact email, brands won't reach out to work with you. Your bio is your landing page. Brands prefer to use email inboxes versus Instagram DMs to try and find talent. So make sure that you've got your email there, such as contact@sturdythoughts.com or sturdythoughts@outlook.com. If brands have to hunt to find a way to pay you, then they'll just move on to the next creator. Also, if you could host your media kit in a platform such as Beacons or Standstore in the link in your description, then brands can easily see a portfolio of your previous work. Don't rely on DMs. The best 4-line structure for your description is the first line clearly states your value, helping creators leverage their passions. Next is your credibility, founder of Unistrive, followed by your contact email, so brands have a way to reach out to you, contact@sturdythoughts.com. And finally, your CTA, your call to action, if you have a link in your description. Click down here to work with me for content creation. Tip number 7, having an agency can be super beneficial. You don't need to know every single brand or brand representative, you just need to have an agency who does know them and builds relationships with them. They will pitch you to major companies as long as you have built a strong relationship with them and can prove that you deliver brand deals on time and you're an easy person to work with. To land your first £1,000 brand deal, shift from a creator to a business asset. This means get rid of the faceless content, become your own niche, and treat your bio like its own landing page. Through my last 4 years of university, I've developed these rules into a system that's allowed me to pay my own tuition fees and my own rent currently in my final year of uni and invest in multiple properties. If you guys, again, want my media kit free template, I'll link it in the description below of this video. The creator economy is only growing exponentially to about £480 billion by 2027. So post your first video if you haven't already, follow these rules or systems, and follow me for more content like this. Thank you guys.